friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Komal Kumari. I am an English learner. Friends, if you are third type English learner, so this video is very beneficial for you. Friends, I never took any English spoken classes. Still, I am able to speak English. How did this happen? Because I determined I have to speak English, I have to speak English. So friends, now I am able to speak English. You know, I wanted to speak English since school time. That time I had knowledge of tense, vocabulary, but that time I was unable to speak English. The reason was behind it, that time I didn't determine to speak English. Yes, that time I didn't determine to speak English. So that time I was unable to speak English. Friends, I would like to tell you that how I learned English at home. Friends, first of all, I learned the rules of tense. Yes, I have already told you that I had the knowledge of tense school time, okay, and vocabulary, but that time I was unable to speak English. So, learn the rules of tense, vocabulary, but now I learned the 20 to 30, at least 10, okay, 10. 10 to 20, and if you have a spare proper time, so you can learn 30, okay. So learn vocabulary, 10 to new English vocabulary, okay. Learn the basic rules of tense, and I watched the video on YouTube. I talk to myself 1 hour to 2 hour daily, every day. Every day I talk to myself 1 hour to 2 hour. I did all these things continue 1 month. I made consistency. I got improvement. Really. So now I am able to speak English. Really. Without spend any money, I learn English at home. Friends, if you want to speak English, first of all, learn the basic rules of tense, learn vocabulary, watch video on YouTube. Language must be English, okay? And watch video on YouTube, and did all this thing at least 1 month, okay? And when you feel that you are able to speak English, so practice, okay. Practice makes man perfect, okay. So if you are third type English learner, if you are first type English learner, so learn only basic rules of tense, and if you are second type English learner, learn basic rules of tense and practice. And if you are third type English learner, only practice, okay. Watch, if you are third type English learner, watch video on YouTube and talk to yourself 1 hour to 2 hour, okay. 1 hour to 2 hour, okay. Talk to yourself only language English, and did all this thing continue for 15 days, 20 days, and 30 days, okay, 1 month. So I did all this thing continue 1 month. I got improvement, really. So friends, if you want to speak English, did all this thing and do all this thing, and if you want to speak English, so you will get improvement in your English language. So by doing all this thing, I learned English at home without spend any money. I never took any English spoken classes, really, and now I am able to speak English. Sometimes I want to tell you that I'm a third type English learner. I'm a third type English learner. Sometimes I made mistake. Okay, I'm not telling that I'm an English trainer. I'm an English learner. I'm an English learner. Okay, so sometimes I made mistake, but I didn't ignore that. I learned from that, okay. So if you make mistakes, so don't ignore that, learn from that, okay. And if you ignore that, you can't speak English, okay. You will make mistakes again, Okay, so I made mistakes, so I learned from this and from that, and I improved that. So I got improvement in my English language. So now I am able to speak English. Friends, I have a tongue problem. Sometimes I feel hesitation to speak not only English, Hindi also. Okay, so please don't mind it. And if you want to speak English, please do all these things. Practice. If you are third type English learner, first type, second type English learner, learn the basic rules of tense, learn vocabulary. Okay, and third type English learner, practice very important. Only practice, and determination very important. Not only for third type English learner. If you are first type English learner, if you are second type English learner, determination. Okay, you should determine that you have to speak English. So if you determine that, if you determine, if you decide that you want to speak English, you can definitely speak English. So friends, do all these things. Practice. Okay, thank you.